This is a Signature 6000 BTU window unit, and this one is from 1970. I actually almost bought one of these that was a 10,000 BTU version of this, but you can see this one is just the regular. Chassis is a little bent. I might have to bend that back or something. But you can see that this is just a 6000 BTU. This is not mine. This is exclusively Inefficient Appliances. His YouTube channel, he has a video of this, but he let me borrow it because, as you can see, my carry coil is taken apart because the thermostat, I need to adjust it, but I haven't had time to fix that. And then you can see that piece of garbage that was going to go in there, and I will show you how loud this thing is. Ball bearings are shot on it, and I don't want to take it apart. So, oop. Yeah, so that thing is garbage, and it is still on. So it is on fan only. Pretty efficient thing motor. I had to tape up the cord because it was really bad. There's actually exposed metal here, so I had to tape that up. Then here it is on high cool. I wish I could show the AK in the back, but it's sadly, I can't open the window. The way I have it mounted in, it's not permanent, so I can't put a cross brace across it to hold it in. I don't want to go through all that effort, but already starting to cool. I'll probably run it on high just because there's no need for me not to. And that's getting pretty cold. Not bad at all. I'm gonna go get my temp gun. I got my temp gun. Now I need to let it run a little longer because it has been sitting in my car. But I mean, you can see the temp's already lowering. It's about a 79-degree day or night. So as you can see, it's lowering. Just gotta let it run a little bit. Says this thing condensates like crazy, so probably build up head pressure really quick. There's low, start to rise. I mean, this thing is cold. It's honestly just as cold as my Kenmore from the 90s, and probably even colder. This thing works super well. And low is very nice, but I probably will just run it on, I'll probably run it on high just because I want it to cool down my room really well. And this is the reason why these temps are a little higher is because my room is actually pretty hot. It's I think about 76 or something, so it's not cold by any stretch. So the fact that it's doing this is working pretty well. but I'll kick it back to high. Now I'm reading the metal, so it's not cold yet, but once it cools down, probably that's our condensate like crazy. Somebody went through and straightened these out, but you can see that's the big tag. Definitely have to let it run a little bit because it's definitely condensating up here, but not as much up here. This line's still kind of cold, so, or warm. I'll let it run a little bit longer, but very cold. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and that is the signature.